Take a look at the certified pre-owned 2009 Chevrolet Silverado 2500. Carfax has certified the Silverado 2500 as having one owner. This Silverado 2500 has just under 27,500 miles. For your protection, this vehicle has a factory warranty. This Silverado 2500 boasts a 6.6-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include power driver's seat, auxiliary audio input, tow package, driver airbag and Bluetooth. Call 888-852-1606 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.